Hey guys, thank you for checking out this video. I'm going to introduce you to an awesome little tool, a tool that I just got access to, a tool that is going to change the way you start promoting all your offers. Well, if you're familiar with Splash Page Pro, okay, you're going to love this software because my man just came out with a version of Splash Page Pro that anyone can use. I mean, you literally take your affiliate link and put it into the system, and it creates 3 unique optimized splash pages without effort. So you're going to be able to turn any affiliate link into a high converting bridge page. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, I use Leads Leap. I use Leads Leap too. I'm an expert in Leads Leap. I love Leads Leap. Okay, I've been using it for years. I have over 300 pages within Leads Leap. This uses AI to create your splash pages instantly. Now, you're saying, well, I can use AI too. Yeah, you can use AI. If you're good at using AI, you can create your own pages. I'm great at both of those. But a lot of people are not. That's why I like this system, because I know I can do it. There's maybe a lot of you guys out there that can do it, but then there's more of you that are not able to create your own splash page no matter how much you try. Now, let me show you some of the pages that I created. The one you're looking at right now was created through AI, and it's a splash page promoting splash page. Okay, here's another one that it created using the system, because once you put your link in, you're going to be able to create 3 versions of the affiliate page or the affiliate program that you're promoting. It automatically gives you 3 pages, 3 splash pages. Now I'm going to show you. I've been playing around with it for maybe 10-15 minutes, and I said, you know what, I got to shoot a video real quick, because it's the only way you guys are really going to really understand exactly what's going on here. So I created one for Got Backup. Okay, now we all know what Got Backup is, and we all know the different type of splash pages they have. But here's the thing: when you're part of an affiliate program, whether it's Got Backup, Live Good, Affiliate Mentor, or whatever program you happen to be involved in, after a while, everyone is using the same splash page, right? The same lead capture page. And you want to be a little different. So instead of wasting, all this time creating your own pages, you can now use Splash Page Pro to create your pages, to create your splash pages. Okay, so this one right here is promoting Got Backup. Okay, and it'll create 3 versions of it. Here's another one I created. With this Splash Page Pro Builder, you can include a video. Now, I don't know who this guy is because I just snatched it from YouTube just as an example, but it created it for me. Okay, and then when they click the button, it will go to your affiliate page. It automatically includes your affiliate link. Now here in the back office, well, here's another one. Here's the front version. Or is that the same? Oh no, okay, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. Here, you can actually include an image. Okay, you can include an image, you can include the video, and then it'll give you, some text about Got Backup. And let me show you how you do that in the back. So here you got an option. Here's your content, the style you want, and the media. Okay. Computer's running a little slow, and I'm trying not to make this too long because I just got super excited when he came out with this tool, because I'm gonna love this tool. So here you go. You don't have to use the AI generated ones. You can tweak it. You can put in your own header, right? If you have a PNG already stored somewhere, you can use it. And then, like I said, when you shoot your own video, boom, you plug it in here and you can preview. You save your changes and then you can preview it. And then it'll give you the copy of the link. Now, let me actually show you what it does. See, I already upgraded. So you can start for free, okay? And for free, you get to plug in 2 different URLs, and each URL you're going to get 3 different splash pages, okay? So for example, I think we already went over this, but here, preview. I already did one. This one is for got backup. So let's go through them again. Preview. Maybe I shouldn't have did that because now it's going to take forever. But just want to show you real quick what they generate. Now see, now not just because I clicked that, it generated a different splash page for me. Okay. And let's see, let's go back to this one. See if it generates another one for me. Okay, stop losing data. Start earning. Your free slot is now waiting. This is, again, another splash page. Okay, how do I do that? Here you go. Generate your splash pages. And then you copy and paste it here. And then you generate. Now I'm going to do one real quick. Let me just grab something random. Here, let me grab... you know what? How about we just grab one of my links for laser hits? Okay. See if it works with that. Now I'm going to plug in one of my splash pages for laser hits. And we're going to see, actually, you know what? Let's see what the splash page actually looks like before we even convert it. Just to really put it through the test. Okay. So this is a splash page that I created using AI and plugging the HTML into it and then doing some other tweaks, etc. Now, this is raw data that I use to create this splash page for my Laser Hits site. And so I have an exclusive going on right now with Laser Hits and Got Backup. So if you're a part of Laser Hits, you can go to the back office, and this is one of the splash pages. So this is the original. Now we're going to plug in that same link, and let's see what Splash Page Pro gives us. Okay, so here it is. I already plugged in the link. Let's generate. Let's see what it comes up with. See, it's generating right now. All right, let's take a look-see. Now you automatically get 3 splash pages per link. So let's preview this one. You know what the original looked like? Let's see what this looks like. Okay, why settle for slow referrals? Boost your Got Backup impact now. Stop wishing for more signups. Discover the laser hit secret to explosive Got Backup commissions. This is pretty cool. This is cool. This is cool. Now let's see what the other one looks like. And you can join for free, folks. Look, even little animated background, multiply your Got Backup commissions with precision traffic today. Then it talks about laser hits, drive targeted traffic, boom. And then it'll lead to laser hits. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see what the third one looks like. See how simple that was? Here it is again. Protect your data, build wealth. Your Got Backup dream starts here. awesome. Little animation, some more text, and then you click here and it'll go to whatever affiliate page you plugged in. And ours is, of course, my laser hits, the one I showed you previously. So let's click that, and there you go. Takes you to the page. This is awesome, 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 folks. You can get started for free. Okay, now when you're a free member, you can only use 2 URLs, and it'll generate 3 for each URL. Now, there is an upgrade, and here's my deal to you, because I want as many people as possible to start using this. Okay, now I'm a pro plan, unlimited access. I signed up for the lifetime deal. Okay, and the lifetime deal is $97, and you don't ever pay again. But you can pay monthly, $5 a month. You can pay for the year, $45 for the year. But if you take me up on my offer and you take the lifetime deal for $97, I'm going to give you a free pro account at laserhits.com. Okay, it's a text and banner app. If you don't know what it is, it's going to help you promote any business you want. You're getting text and banner ads for life. And I'm giving you a pro account. And it even got better, because now not only are you going to be able to promote in Laser Hits, but you're also going to be seen in 8 different sites. It's an upgrade. I haven't really been promoting it lately. Okay, the upgrade, I haven't been promoting that as much as I should, because it's a fantastic opportunity to get maximum exposure. Right now, it's going to be going up in price for about $97. So you're getting 2. You're getting Splash Page Pro, and you're going to get access to my Laser Hits account. Now, let me show you what that looks like real quick. Computer's a little slow. Okay. Here's my account. You've probably seen this one, or you've probably seen others like it. Well, you're going to be getting the pro version. Okay. And trust me, you're going to want the pro version, because like I said, not only are you going to be able to advertise on Laser Hits, but your text ad and your banner ads, because you're a pro member, you're going to be seen on 8 other sites just by inputting your advertising in Laser Hits. It's automatically done for you. You don't have to go to the other 8 sites and manually submit them. They're going to be automatically submitted on your behalf just through Laser Hits. So folks, if you find value in that, if you find value in Splash Page Pro, join today. Join for free. Take it for a test drive. And if you take the $97 lifetime offer like I did, then I'm going to throw in the Laser Hits Pro account. Okay, so I'll know who you are. So I'll reach out to you, or you can reach out to me. Here, probably the best way to do it, I don't even know. The best way to do it is just send me a support ticket, or you can email me directly at laserhits.edgar@gmail.com. Okay, laserhits.edgar@gmail.com. That'll be the best way for you to get in touch with me, and let me know that you upgraded, that you took the one-time offer. And basically, if you already have a Laser Hits account, I will upgrade you to Pro, or you can create an account and then I'll upgrade you to Pro. All right, now this video has gone long enough. Hope you like what you see, and I'll see you on the inside.